show you here this morning. It's a part of a piece of equipment that I acquired about a week or so ago. The power supply is fully functioning, or fully functional, and it's a Canadian Marconi power supply. It's a WJ-10 power supply. It's a 10 amp intermittent, 6 amp continuous, and it was specifically used or built to use with the Marconi FJ 61, 62, 66, DK 56, 61, 62, and DK 66. DK 66 being a repeater, and this is the power supply. It's a little bit different from the other one I showed you a while ago. Got the two heavy duty capacitors here. Got a filter transformer there. You get the big heavy duty badass transformer, at least a 6 amp 10 amp transformer there for sure. And then you've got a bunch of inputs, outputs. You've got looks like diodes down there underneath. 3 of them. Right at the bottom there. You got your fuse, big old capacitors, bridge rectifier, and the output transistor or current amplifier, I guess. 2N3771. It's on a pretty hefty heatsink. You got your DC output here. There's 3 wires going to it, so I'm assuming there's a 12 volt. Obviously there's 13 volts there, ground, and probably a low voltage output, possibly for charging batteries. Yep. So you got an AC fuse over here, and you got a DC fuse right there. So power supply's fully fused. I got the power supply exactly like this, no cover, no nothing. It was in a commercial installation with no covering, which is kind of odd. You know, you got 120 volt floating around there, as well as high current DC, and no cover to protect anybody from it. I didn't think that was a very good idea. But the power supply is don't seem to be putting out the current it's supposed to be doing, or it's working, but it doesn't seem to work at 100%. Could be a capacitor failure there or something, but the resistor's getting out of whack, who knows. But yeah, so that's the Marconi WJ-10 6 amp power supply. It's as old as the hills, and it still works. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. And once again, if you need any information about this power supply, let me know. This power supply will be soon harvested for parts very shortly, and the parts stashed away to be used for God knows what. Anyways, take it easy.